Okay folks, today's challenge is I'm going to be taking this simple number 2 pencil and I'm going to be drawing a dragon without lifting the pencil off of the paper. I hope that you can join with me, so grab your sketchbooks, it doesn't matter what you draw with. Let's go. Now, I'm already a little nervous because I want to lift my pencil and I want to start on different areas of the body, but I know that I cannot do that. So there's going to be some times when you're going to see a little skip in the video, and that's only because my camera's memory card is going to be full. But I just want to assure you that between each little skip, you'll notice that no extra markings have been given. So I'm honoring this as best I can, and we'll see what happens. So far, I don't know what to expect. But if you're doing this challenge along with me, please know that this type of thing can really open your eyes to maybe new ways of sketching. And already, my style is shifting a little bit to a way more, I don't even know how to explain this. This is kind of crazy. All right, so we got, this is going to be a westernized dragon. So it's not going to be a wyvern, which means there are going to be no hands on the wings. The wings are going to be separate. Okay, so try to move this up here a little bit so you can see everything on the page. I have to be really careful about this because I can easily screw up the wings of this creature, and I don't want to do that. Okay. I wonder if I can get away with shading. I might. Okay, so in the comments below, let me know what you guys are working on in school, in your personal projects, or anything that may be bothering you. One of the reasons why I like giving these types of lessons is because our Discord channel, Creature Design Workshop, it caters towards artists of all skill levels. And that goes for senior artists, that goes for intermediates, beginners, folks that have never drawn in their life. Okay, and you're probably wondering, how the heck did the YouTube algorithm get me here? And the truth is, I have no idea. You're watching me draw this dragon without lifting my pencil. You know what I did? I subconsciously drew the head of one of the dragons from Reign of Fire, probably. Okay. I just got this idea tonight. Usually I'll do a lot of thumbnail sketching in my videos, and I thought, hey, let's change it up a little bit and let's see if we can do a dragon here, because it's a dragon, why not? I've already noticed that my pencil strokes look different than they normally do. Normally I'll pick my pencil back up and I'll lay it down while showing some thick to thin lines. But this one, I can go thinner like this, but I can't lift my pencil off the ground to make controlled bursts somewhere else with my lines, so I have to be very careful. And now I got a flat spot on my pencil, so I got to turn the lid, or the graphite. Oh, it's got a little mark I accidentally put there. I got to turn it. Okay, this is going to be a pretty challenging part because I can't lift up to do a new toe. I have to continuously move this across the paper. And if I want to go to the other arm, I have to go across here. This is a really fun challenge, actually. I remember doing this back in university with students. This and blind contour drawing. And I might actually do a blind contour drawing at some point for my channel, but I would have to have the camera off of me at some point and onto my table. Okay, here's a challenging part. How the heck? Oh no. The other thing that I noticed, I don't think that my video is going to be past 12 minutes, only because I'm going to have to lift my pencil up to stop the video to change the card, and I can't do that. So I actually have to honor my own idea here. So this is going to be a short lesson today, folks, but hopefully you're paying attention, you're having some fun here. Okay, we got the wings, we got the body. I think I screwed up. Wait. Because I may have, see, I can't even go, I have to trace the body back. This foot may be a little too low. Oh, crap, it is. Oh, no. What am I going to do? Okay. If those of you that are watching and you don't know what I'm talking about, the perspective. Okay, so the front limbs are going to be down here on the ground further towards us than anything in the back over here due to perspective. That's what I was talking about. And now I just put a big scribble line across there. Oh well, whatever. Okay, let's see what we can do with the tail. Oh, that means I have to draw through the wing. Wait, no, technically I don't. I'm going to follow that, follow the wing. And then I'll finish the tail off over here. As it's wrapping around, now I got to go back down the wing. And now I got to go up and finish it off near the rear. And I got to darken up the top. There we go. Okay. Hey, it worked. Oh, now I got to shift my finger and I can't lift up. Okay, now the fun part. The head and all the horns. Let's break one off. Let's just put some character on there, and then let's put a horn in the front. It feels weird also drawing with a number 2 pencil because I'm used to the 4Bs from Faber-Castell because that's what I normally draw with. And what's cool about this, I'm noticing some opportunities I have where I can walk the pencil across the face, and by doing so, it's actually creating new bony landmarks. Those of you that don't know what bony landmarks are, whenever you do animal sketches, humans, characters, whatever, it's where the skeleton, the bone structure underneath the skin, the fur, the scales, hair, whatever, is showing through. And I've explained that in several of my videos. Okay, I haven't lifted up yet, so let's see if we can put some spikes on the back of the neck. I got to draw through that horn a little bit. Let me know if this is challenging you all. And I want you to hold yourself accountable for this. Even if you accidentally lift it up for a split second, you have failed. Which I'm trying really hard not to fail at this. This is just a fun sketchbook challenge for all levels. If you're a beginner, if you're intermediate, if you're advanced, it doesn't matter. I think I actually can put some shading here. Let's see if that'll work. There we go. Maybe I can put in a slight core shadow running down its left side, and I'm doing small circular motions. I'm putting more emphasis on that face. Oh, it kind of looks like a goat now, right? Did I just draw a goat dragon? Hold on. Let me see if I can put... I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? What would you name this dragon? That's the thing. What would you name it? I like to ask the audience to help me name these creatures. Oh! See, I had to hold it. I gotta bring it back up because I just accidentally lost my grip. And I think I'm going to put some shading in the back limb. Just to show some shadow here underneath the chest. And then here's the actual chest. Oh, I know what I can put. I'm going to draw a center line here, like this. And then from the center line, maybe draw some really cool neck armor. But it comes to a point in that center line down the chest. So I'll just do it on this side. And then I'll go back up the center line, walk it, and then I'll just draw it across the other side of the chest. Okay, that's kind of neat, I guess. But again, I can't lift this, so we don't know how this is going to work. Maybe I can add some more details to the wings without going overboard. Because the wings, They're kind of secondary now. I'm trying to keep this in frame. This is a smaller sketchbook, so I'm just going to walk it up here and then darken up this really cool spike on the wing. There we go. I'm just going to darken it to show attention to that. But I'm barely going to hint at the spike on the other side, like on the other wing. Here's what I'll do. I will bring the pencil down across the neck and then back up that side and darken this one, but not as much as the one on our right. Why? Because of depth. So this is lighter. Okay. And these can be very gestural sketches over here. Or, I'm sorry, lines. Because this part of the wing isn't really as important as the one on our right. But I do know some details I need to put back in here. Okay, folks, today was such a fun lesson, and this is more of a quick beginner tutorial and intermediate and advanced. If you want to challenge yourself, try to draw a picture without lifting the pencil off of the paper. And I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Comment below, let me know what you're working on. Check the links in the description with our Creature Design Workshop Discord and also my mentorship. And please check the pinned comment. Thank you all for watching me draw this dragon without lifting my pencil. All right. Thanks, everybody. Peace.